Hello, we interrupt the program for an important message. We have just found out there is a figure walking around the earth. The figure is extremely dangerous. We sadly haven't found out how to destroy it, but the only thing we can advise you to stay in your houses, lock your doors, close your blinds for your windows, and hide. If the figure gets in your house, don't hesitate to call 911. If you don't have your phone, find a weapon or keep quiet and don't move. That is all for today. Stay safe out there, everyone.